Now comes the good news. If you never participated in LSAs, or worse still if you did, and didn't get any calls, then listen up. We have helped hundreds of businesses successfully get approved by Google. Problem 1 is therefore solved. We also, using proprietary methods, make sure our clients have all the calls they could possibly wish for, by showing them on page 1 much more consistently. This solves the disappointment of being Google approved but not getting any calls. Our most important distinguishing benefit is the fact that A, we monitor the calls to see which ones were not appropriate. Get you a refund of up to 30% for calls that did not apply to your service or your location. This allows you to use that up to 30% on some other form of reaching your target audience, as we will discuss with you soon. If these sound like good deals to you, connect with us quickly, and let's talk about your specific situation and how we can help you. In the next video, I'll go over with you why it is important for you to act now and not wait. She SBO not SEO.com. Text me carpet calls to 805-600-3335 for your free ebook.